Yo, what's up? This is Jay from Jay Fitness. All right, so everywhere I go, I get questions about, hey Jay, how do you get a six-pack like this? Well, I'm about to show you the six-pack exercises that I personally do to maintain my six-pack and how you could get one too. Let's get started. All right, so to start off, to get a six-pack, you need to decrease your body fat percentile, okay? For men, you have to be between 5% and about 10%. For women, it's 8% to about 15%. Everybody has a six-pack. Your ab muscles is there, but the reason why you can't see it is because the body fat is blocking your six-pack muscles from showing. So you have to decrease the body fat percentile in order for your six-pack to show, all right? So what's the best way to lose weight? The best way to lose weight is to burn, all right, more calories than you consume. That's like the best way to do it. So for example, throughout your whole day, if you burn 2,000 calories, all right, you have to eat like 1,800 calories or less in order to decrease your body fat percentile, okay? That's the best way to lose weight. You don't want to just stop eating, because if you stop eating, your body will think that you're starving, so it will withhold the body fat inside of you and you won't get rid of it, but you'll feel tired and it's just not a good thing to do. So make sure that you're always in a calorie deficit in order to lose body fat, okay? So I'm about to show you the exercises that I do to maintain my six-pack. Let's get started. All right, so the very first exercise, six-pack exercise that I like to do is the plank. The plank is a perfect exercise that targets your whole your whole six-pack muscles. I'm talking about the lower abs, upper abs, and right and left side obliques, all right? So to perform the plank, all you need to do, all right, is to get up on your forearms. The goal here is to squeeze your glutes and your abs at the same time. Keep your body parallel to the ground, okay? And you want to hold this position as long as you could, all right? To start off, it's best to start off with about 15 reps or 20 reps and then progress from there. I suggest that you do about 4 sets starting off with 20-second work time, okay? So let's get started. Let's hold this position for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so the second six-pack exercise that I like to do are the bicycle kicks, all right? Just like the plank, it targets your lower upper abs and your right left side obliques also. So it's the whole core muscles, okay? So to perform the bicycle kicks, all you need to do, the goal here, all right, is to make sure that your knee and elbow touch on the opposite side, just like this. And then you want to alternate sides like this, okay? And make sure that your leg that's extended out is fully extended out, all right? So all you need to do is make sure your knee, elbow touch, okay? All right, so if you're starting off, it's best to start off with 10 reps with 3 sets and then progress from there. So let's start off with 10 reps of the bicycle kick. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. When I said 10 reps, I meant 10 reps for each side. So total is 20 reps, all right? I'm sorry about my dog. He wanted to be up in the camera too. So the third six-pack exercise that I like to do are the leg raises, all right? So to perform the leg raises, all you need to do is lay on your back, put your hands underneath your buttocks, extend your legs out, but don't touch the floor. And you want to raise your legs up and then back down, but make sure you don't touch the floor and keep your legs straight. Up, down, up, down, up, down, all right? Now, the leg raises is a perfect exercise that targets your lower abs. So I'm talking about this V-cut section right here, all right? So if you want that V-cut, this is the perfect exercise to perform, okay? So let's get started. So for beginners, you want to start off with 10 reps with 3 sets also, okay? So let's get started. Let's perform 10 reps.
And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Awesome. All right, so last but not least, the fourth exercise that I like to perform is the extended arm and leg plank, all right? This is an exercise that's pretty difficult, so you have to take your time with this exercise, all right? Just like the planks or any plank variations, it targets your whole core muscles, all right? But since this is more advanced, it will strengthen your core muscles, all right? So it will allow you to lift more weight as your core gets stronger. So to perform the extended arm and leg plank, all you need to do is get up in the plank position again. The goal here is to extend, starting with your right leg, arm. Extend your right arm and extend your left leg, all right? You wanna hold this position for about 5 seconds and then switch sides, just like this, all right? So, like I said, it's pretty advanced. It targets your whole six-pack muscles, but also it targets your shoulders and your leg muscles, okay? So it's pretty advanced, but you can do it, trust me. Starting off, you want to do 5 seconds on each side for a total of 4 sets, okay? So let's just do 1 set with 5 seconds on, you know what, not 5 seconds, let's do 10 seconds. I believe in you, okay? Let's go. All right, and start off with your right arm, okay? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa! All right, left arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, all right, so those are the exact same six-pack exercises that I've been doing for many, many years to help me maintain my six-pack, all right? Just like I said, if you want to lose weight in order for your six-pack to show, make sure that you're in a calorie deficit. So it means that you need to burn more calories than you consume in order to lose weight, all right? So if you have any more questions, just leave comments down below. I'll be happy to answer them for you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe. Peace.